Hey everybody, today we're going to make a pumpkin pie without using evaporated milk. I think you're going to love this one. It's really super creamy pumpkin pie and it's easy to put together. So first you're going to need 1 can of pure pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie filling, but you actually just want the pure pumpkin. And then use the whole can, and then you're going to add a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of flour, and then 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Then add 2 large eggs and 1 egg yolk, and then just going to whisk everything up together really well until it's all smooth. So then you're going to add 1½ cups of half and half milk, and just add it half at a time. So I just added the first half of it, whisked it up really well, and then added the second half. Just make sure it's really smooth. And then you're going to pour it into a frozen deep dish pie crust. And I put my pie on a pan because it's much easier to move in and out of the oven if you do that. And then you're going to want to bake this at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, and then turn the temp down to 350 and bake it for 45 to 55 minutes. Then you want to make sure and let it cool for about 4 to 6 hours, and then put it in the refrigerator. And then when you get ready to serve it, you can serve it plain, or you can add a ton of whipped cream on it like I like to do. I hope that you love this one and you find it super easy to make, and I will see you next time.